Hey, how's it going, guys? Matt back with a quick video on how to remove a roof rack on a 2021 to 2023 Ford Bronco and newer if you're watching this video sometime in the future. So the first thing you're gonna want to do is remove these they look to be T40 bolts right up top here, and we'll do that with the provided kit that's in this bad boy. Yeah, so they provide you with a neat little Ford Bronco toolkit that has all the tools you're gonna need to remove that roof rack. But just to make this process a little faster, I got my little drill here with that T30 or 40. So now that I'm up top, what I'm gonna do is remove this top cap here. And that rolled over there. Remove the second one. All right, and then I'll do the same exact thing on the opposite side. All right, so once we got that cap removed on both sides, you have these two bolts here, and what you're gonna wanna do is use the provided kit and just remove these bolts. All right, so once you've removed all the bolts from the front section of the roof rack, you're gonna work your way to the back, and again, you have a little spot there. Remove that with a flathead, and then you have that T30 bolt right here, which we're gonna move. And that bolt just fell, but it'll allow access to this bad boy. Yeah, so working our way down here, we have a little triangle bolt. It comes with a provided tool in your Bronco kit here. You're just gonna remove this bad boy, and there you go. See that? That's just gonna go right up top here, and you'll be able to remove the roof rack. All right, so lastly, you're gonna follow the same exact steps on the driver's side, on the passenger side, and you'll be able to remove the roof rack. All right, now that I have all the bolts completely removed that mount the roof rack to the truck, I can now pick the I mean, it'd probably be best to do this with two people, but it's not that heavy, so you can remove it yourself. All right, guys, so for the rear, there's really nothing to do. I guess we'll just throw a little bit of water and soap and clean those stains. But for the front, the Bronco toolkit comes with these paint match covers, so it's super simple to install them. We'll do that now. The toolkit will have four, I believe they're 10mm bolts, and you see them there. You'll snug them down and then throw that cap right on. All right, guys, when you're all said and done, your Bronco should look something like that without a roof rack. And it looks just as good with and without a roof rack. See those caps right there, body colored, flush with the roof. And if you are trying to install the roof rack, just follow the reverse order on how to remove. Guys, thanks so much for watching. If you liked the video, hit the thumbs up button. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comment section, and stay tuned for more Bronco content. Thanks for watching.